Welcome to the Goat and Cattle Research Farm here at TSU. Our animals are able to graze on approximately 90 acres of land situated right next to the Cumberland River. Since 2001, meat goat production has been a primary research focus in which Dr. Browning and his team have evaluated different breed genetics and their effects on fitness and performance within the southeastern United States. The herd is comprised of approximately 120 does and herd sires and represent a diverse set of Savannah, Kiko, Spanish, Myotonic, and Boer genetics. Savannah goats were developed in South Africa and are a large-framed meat goat. Due to their visual similarities, these guys are nicknamed the white Boer goats. We are currently studying their effects on herd performance within our region. Kiko goats are a composite breed created in New Zealand by crossing the feral doe population with dairy bucks. They are large-framed and considered a dual-purpose animal fit for both meat and milk production. Spanish goats are a heritage breed brought by Spanish explorers in the 1500s to what is now known as the southwestern United States and northern Mexico. Myotonic goats originated right here in Tennessee and are known for their ability to stiffen and fall over when startled. This is due to a genetic condition known as myotonia congenita, in which the muscles contract for a prolonged period of time, typically a few seconds. While there is not much performance data on this little novelty animal, we do know that they have a smaller, stouter frame compared to our other breeds. Boer goats originated in South Africa, and up until Dr. Browning published data stating otherwise, they were considered a superior breed for meat production across the United States. Our conclusions reveal that they were less fit for the southeastern environment than Spanish and Kiko does. Although we do not breed to Boer sires anymore due to their poor performance in this environment, some crossbred does do contain Boer genetics in their pedigrees. One research goal is to improve doe fitness so that she is able to successfully raise a healthy kid until weaning with little to no human interference. Another research goal within our small ruminant herd is to improve kid growth in order to increase their market value at commercial auctions, like the one in Columbia, Tennessee. We have researched genetics as well as management practices like creep feeding as a way of improving overall kid production. In 2015, we reintroduced cattle back into our program to complement the meat goat research. We are currently studying a small-framed British cattle breed known as the Dexter. These docile beings are a dual-purpose heritage breed. Now, I have mentioned that term a couple of times before when discussing our goats, but what exactly do I mean by heritage breed? They are simply breeds of livestock whose genetics have remained untouched by the selective pressures of today's agricultural industries. Instead of putting all the focus into production, these breeds have maintained the well-rounded genetics that helped them thrive hundreds of years ago on our ancestors' farms. Tennessee State University is the very first university within the United States to study the production potential of the Dexter cattle for small-scale beef production. We currently have about 100 Dexter cows and heifers, as well as 6 breeding bulls. We have collected about 4 years of production data and cannot wait to see what the results will reveal. Last year, we introduced Moshona herd sires into our breeding program to cross with our cows in order to evaluate their F1 calves. The small frame Moshona is a Sanga breed that originates from Zimbabwe, Africa. Because of its possible heat tolerance, their genetic influence could prove valuable to the production of non-traditional beef within our region. Welcome to our Agricultural Research and Education Center located 5 miles southeast of Ashland City, Tennessee. Our cattle utilize about 80 acres of this 124-acre research station, and they are lucky enough to be right alongside the banks of the Cumberland River, just like the animals back on campus.